Award-winning and highly profitable chocolate company. All equipment, recipes, brand and inventory included. Excellent income. Huge growth potential, outstanding location, no local competition. Established wholesale accounts. Premier tourist destination. Well-established wholesale accounts and a highly trafficked retail location and multiple expansion opportunities. Sale price includes all equipment assets, recipes, and accounts. Training included. Have you dreamed of owning your own high-end chocolate establishment? Making chocolate is a lifestyle. In addition to being recognized as one of North America's top 10 chocolatiers, we have also become a premier bean-to-bar chocolate maker. We import cacao beans from over 10 different countries and make small batch chocolate from scratch. Over 100 SKUs, diversification has been the key to garner market share. Possibilities are endless.